and I was hesitant to upload the videos because no uh, major reasons. The only reason was that I didn't have could not manage time, so I decided to go live whenever I have time, and so I want to stay connected with my audience if there's any. So I'll be sharing my experience of life and career, whatever I have learned so far in life. I want to share all that. So currently I am head of data science in a USA based company, and my work is mainly focused on AI thing, and AI is a buzzword these days. So I decided to share my insights about AI whenever I have some time. So although it is quite late uh, here, like it is 12 a.m. and I'm just doing a walk, but I thought I had some time, so I decided to share with you that time. So uh, I will keep sharing on different topics, but today I am going to share about AI and is the AI revolution real or not? So, you know, every prediction is prediction until it happens. So all the predictions about AI are still predictions, but AI is a tool that we should all embrace. And what is AI? That is a very abstract thing. Like back in many years when calculator was invented, calculator was a great AI. Like summing to some big numbers that humans cannot do was a big AI, big impossible thing at that time. But right now, every kids know that calculator is not a big thing. So right now, calculator is not an AI thing. So right now, LLM is the AI thing, and LLM means Chat GPT, whatever chatbots you see on the internet, which are leveraging the power of LLM or AI. And definitely, this level of AI will also be considered not AI after some time. But the point that I want to stress is that although calculator is not considered AI at this moment, but everybody is using calculator. And those who will not use that technology will be left behind. Like just take an example of two persons who are going to compete in running, and one is running on foot, and other is using bicycle or cycle. Then definitely the one who is using technology will win. Similarly, if you're doing some math problem and you are not using calculator, but the other person who is competing with you is using calculator, definitely will succeed, will win over you. So the same analogy applies here in case of AI. So I would recommend that in whichever in whichever field you are, you should leverage AI in that field. And if you don't leverage AI in that field, definitely you will be left behind. Uh, so this is my this is my point that we all should embrace this new technology and accept it, just like we accept the calculator. But all those fiction things, like people are saying AI will overrun the world, it will overrule everything, it will surpass human intelligence, those are all kind of you can say fake news and conspiracy theories. AI is just a tool and nothing else. And tool is very simple. Like if I want to, like I don't know if you have ever learned something about that over the internet. What is AI? So maybe you have you had different theories from different persons, but I am giving you like my own insight about AI and what is AI, what is current AI that is being used in ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, Claude, whatever, uh, you know, whatever chatbot you see on the internet. Currently, AI, what we are seeing right now, is a very simple thing, and that is just to predict the missing text or missing information from the context. Let me give you an example. Let's say there's a sentence that says, France is a big country and dash is the capital of France. So, what would be the word in place of dash? And every person who has little knowledge about geography and world will can tell you that the missing word is here Paris. So Paris is the capital of France. So the prediction of the missing word from the context is AI. So current AI, what AI we are using, what is used in LLM and all those the current stuff. So what has happened is that all the big models, which were based on transformers and latest technology of models, all the LLMs, have been trained on the world data, like all the information that is available on the internet has been used to train those models, and those models have such a big context that when you ask a question, that question becomes the missing space, and that missing space is filled using all the context of the world that those models have. So that is this simple concept of you know providing the missing information from the context has been used in chatbots and LLMs. So nothing more than that. So, but this simple concept is doing so many amazing jobs that those people who are not technical, who have not learned about AI, they think that maybe AI is superhuman now. They can uh, they can take over control of the world. That's not going to be true. Yeah, that's superhuman in the sense the way calculator is better than human in computation. These bots are better than humans in terms of context and knowledge. So because they have better context, more knowledge, so they are better at predicting the missing information. So that is it. uh, what algorithm has been used back end, what that is a separate story, but that's it. This is the only thing in AI. And what how we can leverage this tool is that we can use these tools for any field that we are in. Like in whatever field we are working, we definitely need an assistant can help us in terms of knowledge and task accomplishments. And in all those things, these LLMs are very helpful, super helpful, and great. So I would really recommend you that you should all work on our leverage this technology. And I will keep recording these kind of videos whenever I get time, because I didn't have time to record videos and to edit those videos. So I decided to create live videos. So right now, maybe in this video, nobody will be listening to me, but down the road, after a few months or years, if if I keep recording these kind of videos, maybe we end up with some community where we can discuss all kind of these things which can improve our life and the life of our friends and family members and our community. So maybe I can get feedback from you people how we can improve each other's life using AI. And maybe you can tell us what is your specific field, and then I can discuss with you people how we can apply AI on that specific field so that your labor work is minimized. So in the nutshell, I can say all these new chatbots are now your assistants. Just you know just imagine you have hired your assistant who has all the knowledge of the world, and who can accomplish many tasks if you know how to guide it, how to give the right instructions. It can fulfill or accomplish any task. So if you accept this thing, accept this revolution, then you will end up just just imagining new ideas, but all the labor work can be outsourced to these kind of chatbots. And you know, in the in current world, in the current year, like in 2025, it is said that 2025 is a year of AI agents, and SaaS is going to be replaced by AaaS. SaaS means software as a service, like small applications, mobile applications that were being used as service for people. Now those applications, those services will be replaced by AaaS, agents as a service. So the like I mean to say, AI will be used in every aspect of life, as well as every software will become an AI software. So this revolution is going to happen, and so what we need to do is that we should, use this time to understand how we can, take leverage of this technology so that we are not left behind on one side, and on the other side, we make our life, better. Like this has been, for last century, it has been a norm that you have to work for 8 hours a day. To work for 8 hours a day, definitely it is a lot. Like our ancestors were not going to work 8 hours a day. Like in old times when they were farmers or they were hunters, they did work, but they didn't work consistently like 8 hours on a chair or something like that. So I think with the advent of this new AI, we can save our time, and we will spend more times in thinking new ideas, in creating new ideas, but in implementing those ideas, we have AI agents, AI assistants that we can, outsource our work to AI, and we focus ourselves just on imaginations and creativity. So any task that is laborious should be, you know, outsourced to AI, delegated to AI, and human brain should only be used for creativity. So this kind of discussion we will be keeping on daily basis whenever I get time. So if you have watched me, or listened to me to this extent, uh, really I am really thankful to you, and I hope we will keep connected every day. And this is the first time I even do not understand where to stop it. There's a cross button. Let's see if it works.